completely open behind us.
Yeah, all the handles. You got it.
There you go. I'm not holding them all the way, but I am.
There we go. And we are off on Wavebreaker, the rescue coaster here at SeaWorld San Antonio. Headed down into the first launch. Here's the show building. Rescue all the dolphins. 4, 3, 2. Oh, there we go. Whoa! Oh, it's cold. It's so cold. Whoa! Second launch! Whoa! Whoa! Whee! Over the pathway! Oh, and that was Wavebreaker, the rescue coaster here at SeaWorld San Antonio. What did you think about Wavebreaker?
It was great.
It was very cold. It's like 40 degrees right now. We are freezing. But that was a fun ride nonetheless.
That was a great ride. Great ride. Second launch, best part.
First ride of the day, done.